show the type of programming is very, very not complex, but it is somewhat complex what we're trying to do.
Here is the largest production base in marine anchor chain and marine chain in the world. Jiangsu Asia Star Anchor Chain Company Limited. After 20 years of development, more than 2,000 employees. Now, it has 3 specialized production bases in Jiangsu, Jinjiang, Zhenjiang, and Anhui Maoyachan. Here, every day, we manufacture anchor chain products for users in different countries and regions. 34 sets of the most modern production lines of anchor chain in the world. 25 chain heat treatment production lines. Accessory production lines of anchor chains and various advanced production equipments. Here, we can produce various marine anchor chains and offshore mooring chains to meet the needs of users. Product specifications and series of grades are complete. Annual output of marine anchor chains and offshore mooring chains is 250,000 tons. The capacity accounts for over 45% of the total in the world. Export products to more than 50 countries and regions. Asian Star, starting with the internal management. It established a sound internal computer management system. The whole process, from raw material entry into the plant to production, testing, and after-sales service for product delivery. It established a strict management system as well as implementation of the supervision program. It adopted the latest international ISO quality, environment, safety, and health management standards in full range. Recognized by China's CSQA and API of USA on the management system. Product quality is in strict accordance with international standards, the norms of every bureau of shipping, national standards, and the requirements of every user. Asian Star regards science and technology innovation as the driving force of company development, has a leading scientific research team with international advanced technology, a long-term commitment to research and development on new products of marine anchor chains and offshore mooring chains. In early 1990s, Asian Star started to upgrade equipment and technology on a large scale, set up international advanced anchor chain production lines using the latest technology. Since 2006, Asian Star has formed a research team with domestic famous scientific research institutions, including Baosteel, successfully develop high-tech marine engineering products and ultra-high-strength R5 class mooring chains.
因为这个链子在世界上所公布的数据，亚星的油档铆链、油档的细破链是5级的，能够保证所有的性能全部达到 ABS 的传气式的要求。那么从这一点讲呢，就是亚星呢现在是领先的。
As the technology leader in the industry, Asian Star participated in the constitution of national marine anchor chain and offshore mooring chain standards, and form an international standard as ABS International Standards, established by the United States to regulate the mooring chain of the establishment, provide theoretical basis and reliable test data. The research and development of a higher level R6 class offshore mooring chain is also in development. Marine anchor chain and offshore mooring chain act as a life chain, which maintains the safety of life and property for people at sea. Asian Star anchor chain's model is to manufacture the safest and most reliable marine life chain. All products go through a series of scientific experiments and analysis, including fatigue test, finite element analysis, NDT test, slow strain rate test. Using the most advanced test equipments and test methods in the world, strict quality control ensures the reliability of the product. The largest 2,400 tons of anchor chain tensile testing machine in the world, Asian Star anchor chain promises every product is top quality. Where there is a ship, there is Asian Star anchor chain. Asian Star products are widely used in various types of ships, marine engineering facilities, and national defense engineering products, maintaining long-term business relationships with domestic and foreign famous companies such as Denmark Maersk, South Korea, Samsung, Daewoo, and STX, Japan Mitsubishi, America, SBM, and Transocean, Guangdong, Fujian, Zhejiang, Jiangsu, Shanghai Jiangnan Changship, Hudong, Waigaoqiao, Shandong, Dalian Shipbuilding, and other major business areas. Maintain long-term business relationship. World-famous luxury passenger liner Queen Mary II, Freedom of the Sea, and Polar, Snow Dragon, Yuanhua main research vessel, and major domestic and foreign naval ships are equipped with Asian Star anchor chain. Asian Star spent nearly 10 years to exceed the performance of domestic and foreign counterparts, become the manufacturing center and base of world marine anchor chain and offshore mooring chain. With unshakable excellent quality, R5 mooring chain uses the latest design in the world to equip it onto the 6th generation of 3,000 meters deep semi-submersible oil drilling platform of the China National Offshore Oil Corporation. On New Year's Eve 2011, the stock of Asian Star anchor chain was successfully listed in the Shanghai A-share market, planning for the future from a higher starting point.
我们就是要这全世界这个质量最好的链条，是吧？这所有业主、所有客户最受信赖供应者。
Asian Star anchor chain We produce the best and most advanced anchor chain products in the anchor chain industry around the world. Become the most popular supplier in the world. Participate in fair competition and friendly cooperate with counterparts. Promote the integrated development of the global anchor chain industry and share the success.